So I will be explaining the materials we used, where we found them, and the process we did in creating this pendulum wave project. So this idea originally came from YouTube. Yes, and this idea wasn't new actually. We were hearing this from our professor, from our classmates, and they mentioned that we should make this too, but we had our doubts. But when we finally made it, it works and it's a success. So let's begin with the materials. The wood, the main structure, the wood we found from the scrapyard of our house, and they're purely recycled. We coated it with gold, painted them with gold, yeah, and black. Yeah, that's about it. Now let's proceed to the main pendulum. This wood is recycled too, and these are screws just painted with white. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, they're screws, individual screws. And for the suspensions, we hung the nuts on yarn. We found this as a substitute for the expensive wire we originally found in the YouTube video, and it works. Now for the weights, we found the nuts. This is the largest size that we can find, and according to the YouTube video, we needed to find a bigger size as well. And I think this is the actual size that the video showed. That's about it. So for the process, we did basic carpentry, of course. We sought help from someone who knows carpentry, an expert, Fredgy, our schoolmate back then. Shout out to you. Thanks for helping us and guiding us. Originally, this contained no support. We lacked wood because I didn't anticipate it until I discovered it. So with the help of the skills that I found from Fredgy, the drilling before nailing, this was drilled before nailed. I anticipated that now. I applied it and it was way easier, believe me. And yes, so regarding the measures of the nuts, we use some mathematical equations, and these differ. The measure of this from this, the height of this, they differ, but the coefficient we found, the common result is that from here it goes higher, the higher it gets in the pendulum, and that's it. That is how we made this pendulum project, and to demonstrate it once again how it works, let me show you a short clip. The process is simple. We just need a stick long enough to get all these to get suspended. Yes, like that. I'm using a stick, our knee stick in my case, and that's about it. You release it, then you watch it. You can see the pendulum wave is evident in the early release, but as it proceeds, as it continues to move, the pattern gets chaotic, the chaotic pattern. So yeah, that's about it. I hope I explained it clearly, and thank you for watching. Once again, this is the pendulum project we made for the 12th grade.